So 52 years ago, my father, who was in the electrical business working for a manufacturer, left and joined his partner that was a sales manager at the company he worked at, which was Jefferson Electric, and they started the agency business together. They were in the pipe and wire business and specialty business and a little bit of lighting, high mass lighting and specialty lighting. Over the years, the agency was heavy on the supply side of the business and always had a niche in the outdoor lighting market. In 2003, Richard, who had been a good customer of ours, and I had known one another for many years, we put together a plan to go into the lighting and controls business and really get out of the supply business. We didn't have a warehouse, it didn't make sense, and the lighting controls market we felt was going to boom in Chicago and it would be a great future for all of us. So we started the plan. There's some things we joke about when we started the plan because the first year was kind of tough. But we started acquiring good vendors through the years, and then we've grown substantially to where today we're 70 plus vendors of just lighting and lighting control. And we've built out a tremendous team of people, of both architects, engineers, salespeople, and we cover all the market channels today as an agency that you would expect an agency to cover, end users, all of it. We still are in the outdoor lighting market and still do business in the municipal marketplaces, but our commercial markets, educational, institutional, our residential side of the business is boomed.
You know, it's such a great time as far as in the lighting community with what's the revolution been with LED, controlling LED, the quality of light with LED, and you know, from where it's been even prior to the LED Specifier Summit being here in Chicago, to see how things have evolved, and you've been a big part of helping us bring that education, that knowledge, because the lighting designers know that, and they want to see what's new, and it's obviously a lot easier to do it here in home base versus going to conferences across the country, but also to bring the architects and the interior designers that don't necessarily always get that expert attention in one day or a day and a half to be able to see what's available in lighting and lighting control. So we value that and think that's a very strong message that we can help deliver with the manufacturers we represent and in a forum such like this.